house, he had old siding and some brick that was falling off. The roof was just a tin one. The color was probably beautiful in its day, but was outdated. We had a huge hailstorm come through. It actually was kind of a gift from God, because then when Energy Guard came in, we got a new roof. We've got new siding. We got new windows. What I really liked about Energy Guard was the fact that, they have a guy that's very good with insurance, and he goes around, and he looks at the building. You get a certain amount of money, but he was able to get more for us. They come in, they do the assessment, and then they take care of business. You don't have to worry about it. It's a turnkey job. So it's wonderful. The poor siding guys were out here, and it was so cold. I don't know how they did it. Very easy to work with. The window guys were charming. We had some work done at the old place where they had to do the round top building, and that guy's amazing. I've had more compliments on it. People drive by and they say it looks like a log house. Well, and then of course the windows make a total difference on the heating and everything. I mean, this house is now very snug, very secure. The windows are the most magnificent thing, probably. We're just totally pleased. It just worked out that we have a very, very lovely home because of Energy Guard. So yes, I'm very, very pleased with Energy Guard, and if anybody asks me would I, use them again, the answer would definitely be yes. I'm happy as a bird dog, so I'm just happy with it.